Hello guys, welcome to Lytical Reps once again. Please, if today is the first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more excited and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. Let's move straight to our question of the day. So we are having A is 0.29.9 plus A is 0.29.9 is equal to 8 exponent 100. So we have to find A. Okay, we have to find A in this question. So with this, we can say that we factorize A is 0.29.9 outside, and then so to be 1 plus this one to be 1, which is equal to 8 exponent 100. Okay, now 1 plus 1 is 2, so we are going to get A is 29.9 multiplied by 2 is equal to, now this 8 can express as 2 exponent 3 or into bracket 100. Okay, so from here we can decide to divide both sides by 2 like this. So this will cancel this, leaving A is 29.9 is equal to, and then this one you're going to get 2 exponent 3 multiplied by 100 on 2. Okay, let's go ahead to simplify this. So we are going to get A is 29.9, which is equal to, so this we are going to get 2, so it will be 2 exponent 300, and then this, which will be 2 exponent 1 like this. Okay, so A is 29.9, which is equal to, now algebra, this is division, so we can rewrite it as 2 exponent 300 minus 1. So to simplify everything here, we are going to get A is 29.9, which is equal to 2 exponent 300 minus 1, we are getting 299. Okay, now we are having A is, so now we are having A is 29.9, which is equal to 2 exponent 299. Okay, now we are going to this 2.99. 2.9 is the same as 299 divided by 10. Okay, so if you get this, we can change the exponent of A to be 299 over 10. So we are going to get A exponent 299 on 10 is equal to 2 exponent 299. Okay, now we need the value of A, so we are going to find the reciprocal of 299 and multiply by the exponent. Okay, and the reciprocal of 299 is 10 over 299. Okay, so we are going to get A exponent 299 on 10 brackets 10 over 299, which is equal to 2 exponent 299 bracket 10 over 299. So in this case, we are going to get A exponent 299 on 10 multiplied by 10 over 299, which is equal to 2. Then this one, you are going to get 299 multiplied by 10 on 299. Okay, so 10 will cancel 10, 299 will cancel 299, and this one, 299 will also cancel 299, leaving A is equal to, then we have 2 exponent 10. Okay, and 2 exponent 10, we know that is 1000 24. Okay, so our A is equal to 1024. Okay, so this is our value of A. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tricky and exciting questions. Bye bye.